5 things I love about the SLK. Old but gold. As you can see, it has heated seats and what in Mercedes they call air scarf. By pressing this button here, it blows hot air to keep you nice and warm and toasted even when the weather is like that. Number 3, it has a beautiful V6 engine, natural aspirated, that sounds like Number 4, it has a metallic roof, which means that during summer it's a practical convertible, and during winter it's like a normal coupe. Number 5, well, I would say that the look, considering the age,